You're doing a veneer. He teaches you to keep it simple, and he teaches you to keep it uncomplicated, because if you go subgingival, and I can vouch for this for any dentist that practices there, that it's extremely difficult to do subgingival preps. So the supragingival concept of dentistry is just great. It makes your life a lot more easier, it makes it more simple, and it makes it less complicated in the long run.
Supragingival dentistry allows you to utilize the materials that are out now, which is the bonded materials, and not have to cut away the tooth structure and conserve the tooth structure, which is just, the way that we need to be doing dentistry.
Porcelain veneers is one of the most satisfying and rewarding procedures in dentistry. When things go well, our patients are happy, restorations are durable, beautiful, and predictable. But it's also a procedure that tends to have lots of complications if we do it incorrectly. Patients that end unhappy, restorations that break and fall. And for that reason, many clinicians are staying away from porcelain veneers. In this hands-on workshop, we will go through in detail preparation, very minimal invasive supragingival techniques, cementation with the latest in materials, very important smile design techniques to make sure that when we're finished with our restorations, our patients will be satisfied. And also the understanding that porcelain veneers are not just for aesthetics, but also as a substitute for full crowns. My goal is at the end of this course, everyone will feel comfortable to go and start performing porcelain veneers in their practices.